We're out here, Fort Langley Golf Course.
Yeah, we don't lose, okay?
Playing around a match play. Dawson, me, versus Robbie and Connor.
I mean,
now we're here and we're gonna go with we're playing some reverse psychology on these guys. You know, these guys, they thought they were tough. They made their team name Team Alphas.
what's up with
So
that?
what we're gonna do is we're playing match play, scramble, 3 holes, vlogging every shot. We're Team Beta. Because the Betas are gonna beat the Alphas, and that's just gonna be embarrassing. Okay? The vlog begins. Okay. Team Alpha over here.
That's us. Okay, let's get us off this camera.
Okay, what do you want to say? What do you want to say?
I've been watching these guys. They're not that good. Okay, Connor's all talking. He's gonna. Yo, what? What? Yeah, no, get out of here.
Hush on the.
Hey, there's water over there. Make sure you don't hit it.
Nice.
Where'd it go?
It's going right far. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. We can play that. That's fine.
Okay.
Honestly, Connor, the mic open.
Cart path.
Oh yeah. Check that out, eh?
Nice hit. Does it go in men's?
Does it go in that?
Okay, so, alright. So I'm about to tee off here. Unfortunately, my teammate put one right, I would say about maybe 15 yards that way. So,
It's a PAT.
pressure's on me. Take your tee back. I want nothing to do with that.
Oh, it's coming left. That's good. That's real good. Alright. Get under. All the way to the tree back there, eh?
Holy moly.
Oops. I'm so sorry. Thank you for that. I was just practicing.
Yo.
Because you got to get under the ball here, Robbie. I know. Okay, you should have gotten it in the bunker. That's what I'm talking about, Con. That's perfect.
Do you have any idea on how to get it out of the bunker once it goes in?
You use your sand wedge or pitching or lob wedge.
I know, but the club doesn't get the ball out of the sand for you.
Trust me, I've been in the bunker many times. I know how to get out.
Alright, so we're pulling up to my drive here. Dawson's gonna drop, hit first. Oh, that's good. That is good. Good. That is so good.
Oh my god. You know, I thought we were taking my shot, but we're not taking my shot anymore.
Don't think of your backswing now.
I won't. It won't help you. Nice. Nicely done. Fine cone, Robbie. Nope. It's okay. We'll take yours. Yeah.
So that was a good strategy talk on how you're going to shank it into the bushes here.
Yeah, stuff like that.
Robbie, are you going to hit the green?
Goal is to get it
No,
up in the air
I said, are you going to hit the green?
on the second bounce. Just say yes. Nice. Oh. Nope, that's fine. I did hit on the second bounce. Maybe not.
But it didn't stay on the green.
As that wasn't the question. So. Wow.
You talked in your own teammate's backswing. Let's take our third shot.
It's gonna be beautiful.
This par 5. Dawson's just gonna try to get it on the green. Oh my god. That was good.
It's from Miranda.
Alright, so
my
decent chip as well. Let's see who's closer.
my dumbass wasn't recording. Oh, I think it's you.
Oh, well, let's go and take these guys.
Oh yeah, let's go see what these guys are doing.
It's called the Great Escape.
Oh my god.
Which spot are you guys?
For birdie.
For birdie here. Going for mine here.
You guys' fourth hit?
My third. No, that's our fourth, yeah. For birdie.
Line it up.
Okay, let's just concede the hole.
Stay left.
Well, it's extra practice.
Okay.
Okay.
Ah! How are we feeling about that?
It's a good hit, but you know there's 17 more holes.
Let's see it.
There's 16 more holes, almost, guys. Not bad.
Nice hit, Rob. Jeez, I'm real shaky with this camera. On the green?
All right, so
$100 whoever picked up that ball.
the betas
Pick it up, look around.
are up one hole
Throw it down somewhere.
after a nice birdie. And yeah, now we got hole 2. Nice par 3 here.
Is that the blue flag right there?
Yeah.
Hey,
Okay.
you know what? That's safe. That's what we need. How many yards we got there?
It says right there for you. 105. But we could use the telescope to pretend we're cool.
Rip. 8 iron. And this is going in the hole.
Okay.
Good shot.
Oh my god, it's on the green.
Okay, they're going for far.
Uh,
As everybody could.
let's go.
Nice.
Oh, he's going to hook and left.
It was a safe play.
You know, that's what I'm here for.
Second shot.
We need a good second shot here. Oh, nice, Rob. We have one more hole if you want. That's lovely, Robbie. Oh,
Okay, that's not bad.
a little far enough.
Comes Connor here.
That's nice too. Okay, let's play yours. Put that guy down right there.
Dawson's here lining up the putt. Probably like far, like 30 feet. That was good. That was really
safe.
good.
That's real safe.
I didn't come out here to lose. I didn't come here to win. I came out here to dominate.
Okay. That's what we're gonna do. All right. Well.
That was a 1, 2. That was a par.
I know.
Yes, sir.
Another par.
Okay.
Not another par. First part of the day. That's fine. You should have. Well, says the student.
Okay.
Here.
Sucks to be them.
All right, Rob. I see you.
The betas just made a par on that par 3, and we were off to a hot start.
We're looking pretty good. I mean,
Like,
we're sticking to the plan.
Birdie, par. This is looking good. We already won the match, but we're gonna play the 3rd hole anyways. See if we sweep them or 2-1.
We're sweeping. It was our question.
393.
Oh my God! There's a worm. Look, there's another worm. All right, beta teammate number 1.
Worm's over there. Worm is safe.
The worm is safe.
Straight. That's straight. It's beautiful. It's beautiful.
That's sick.
It's beautiful.
Oh, I might take Dawson's on that one. Oh, I definitely take Dawson's.
Yeah, you know we're taking my drive. You know we're taking my drive.
We know who's driving. It might be in the boy, Dawson.
Thanks, boys.
Rough.
Oh,
With all the cheese on Jesus.
where'd it go?
It went far right.
It's on
It
this.
is.
We were searching for the balls. I mean, the only one that we know where it is mine. It's beautiful right there. So, nah, it's right there, my guy. Over by Dylan, like 20 yards in front. Oh, Rob, you're on the wrong course, buddy. How far are we? How far?
176.
Sheesh. That's actually not even that bad, though.
Hit that tree and drop.
Yeah.
Not bad.
It's okay, you know?
Nice.
Oh, yeah, takes it off the ramp.
All right, throw that thing on the green. Nice.
Like that.
Good hit.
We got the special shiny ball. That could be good. Go, go, go. Oh! Another time Dawson comes in clutch. Oh. Watch out for the bunker there.
That's what I'm watching up for. I'm also being careful what I think about the backswing. They're not even crossing.
See if Connor
Did
can.
it actually go past? Yeah.
Yeah.
It's still up the chip. Oh, that's not going to do well either.
Dawson lining up
Oh, yeah.
our par putt here.
There's quite a hill on that.
Oh.
Close.
Oh, Beta's finished off with a bogey on that hole. These guys are
Looking for a bogey.
chip in for bogey. Not a bad chip, just a bit past. Oh, that looks good.
I'm glad we can putt that.
You can putt that. Taking Connors here.
Sure.
Try and finish this
Uphill putt.
little 3-hole matchup with a nice putt. Oh, almost.
Oh, just short.
Okay, Robbie's gonna try and sink that.
You're like this. I just kind of hit it. Yeah, no.
All right, they finished with a 7,
Honestly, after the match,
and
match plays,
the Betas take the dub.
Of course.
All right, guys, that's the end of that video. Wait, don't click off this video yet. The vlog camera stopped rolling after that hole, but some crazy things unfolded through the rest of the day. We were out there on the course. We filmed some on Snapchat and some on our phones, so I'm just gonna roll the clips now.
I don't think so. Yeah? Would have been hilarious if you hit that.
My bag!
You gotta be kidding me. Oh my god.
Yo, what?
You think I was gonna lose? Did you actually think I was gonna lose? Did you actually think? This is a fun, short little video. If you liked it, please like and subscribe. The boys here are getting into golf. There'll be sure to see more golf content, so stay tuned.